Today we're working with base words, and base words are words inside of another word that has a prefix or a suffix or sometimes even both. So you have a word on each screen, and then down below you're going to have to type the base word or the word without the prefix, the suffix, or a prefix and suffix. So my first one here is the word unhappy. If I look at this word, I see that it has a prefix of un meaning not. Down below it says type the base or root word because sometimes they're called root words too, but it's the same thing. If I know that the prefix is un, my root word or my base word is happy. So I'm going to double click my question mark so it turns blue, and then I'm going to use my keyboard to type the word happy, H-A-P-P-Y. Now I should be spelling it exactly right because I can see it up above. So that one has a prefix and the base word is happy. Let's try another one. This word is the word talking. I'm going to do the same thing, but this time it has a suffix, which means ing at the end. So without the suffix, the base word or the root word is talk. So I'm going to double click the question mark so I can type the word talk, T-A-L-K. And again, I'm just looking right up here to spell the base word correctly. There are more for you to practice on the left, and when you get to the last one, there's a hint for you. This word has both a prefix and a suffix, so you're finding the base word in the middle. When you're all finished, please turn it in.